Becoming accustomed to new things, your guide to adapting. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, become accustomed to. This phrase is all about adapting to new situations, habits, or environments. So, if you've ever found yourself struggling to get used to something new, this video is for you. Let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this essential phrase together. When we say, become accustomed to, we're talking about the process of becoming familiar with something to the extent that it feels normal or usual. This could be anything from adapting to a new job, living in a different country, or even getting used to a new daily routine. The key here is the transition from feeling strange or uncomfortable to feeling comfortable and normal. Now, let's see how to incorporate become accustomed to into sentences correctly. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, but with a few examples, you'll be using it like a pro. 1. I have become accustomed to waking up early for my new job. Here, it implies that waking up early was initially challenging, but over time, it became a normal part of the person's routine. 2. Moving to another country can be challenging, but you'll eventually become accustomed to the new culture. This sentence highlights the idea of adapting to significant changes over time. Remember, become accustomed to is usually followed by a noun or a gerund, a verb ending in ing that functions as a noun. It's also helpful to know some synonyms or similar expressions. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and give you alternative ways to express the same idea. Phrases like get used to, adapt to, and acclimate to convey similar meanings and can be used in various contexts. However, the nuance of each phrase might slightly differ based on the context. And that's a wrap on become accustomed to. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this phrase effectively in your daily conversations and writings. Adapting to new things is a part of life, and now you have the language to talk about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own sentences. See you in the next video, and happy learning!